31. A force displaces the object, find work done. Please do on your own fast.
Sir,
Force, yes.
sir, we have not done up to 30.
Yes,
Sir, you gave 1 to 20 homework. You have to do it from, like, we have to continue from 21.
Are you dreaming?
No, sir.
Power delivered, I did, I remember. 0.25 is the answer.
Sir, it is in the timetable also. You have given up
Which
to 1
timetable
to
you are
20.
saying?
you have
Last,
not, yes, sir, you have not completed till 30. You have done till 20 only.
Yes, sir.
till 20 I have done.
No, you gave 1 to 20 homework.
I am telling classwork. Classwork we started, no? Are you gone mad or what? Classwork we are telling, not homework, some I am telling.
Yes, sir. Classwork, you give MCQ 1 to 20 homework.
Yes, sir. What solutions is true. It was given in the planner. We have to do till 1 to 20
Yes.
of this classwork yesterday.
Then how different students are telling different thing? Risha, what we have done? You tell.
So we have done 1 to 30 of the classwork numericals, not the MCQ. MCQ you gave 1 to 20 as homework yesterday.
Yesterday? Yesterday when I gave homework.
I mean, like
Sir, in the
the
planner.
planner shows that we have to do 1 to 20 yesterday.
Classwork. MCQ.
Yes, sir.
Arey, you people please check your notebook. 1 to this MCQ we have started no long back.
Yes, sir.
Why you are getting confused? Gauravi, how many MCQ we have done?
Sir, till 30 we have done.
I know that this. I don't know how these people are.
So
attending the class.
she's talking about the numerical.
No, no, she is talking properly. You are telling numerical. I gave. I myself remember which of the following quantities vector we did in the class. Identify scalar quantity we did in the class. Atharva? Hello, Atharva? Hello, Atharva? Hello, Atharva? Classwork MCQ 1 to 20 I have told you for revision. And Friday, see, I have written classwork 21 to 40 we will be doing. Can you see that planner?
Sir, I just rechecked this thing. We have done till 30.
So that's what now see so much. It's very difficult now. All of you check. We have done till 30.
Yes, sir.
Then what Shruti you are telling? This is that, this is that, this is that. Have you made the notebook for MCQ separately first?
Yes, sir.
So in that notebook, can't you see 30? Then what is the confusion? I still don't understand. If I open my notebook, there is 30 MCQ I did in the class. Then why I will ask so many other things? And planner it is given, you are telling planner I can just, I have opened. It is written 23rd Friday 21 to 40 classwork MCQ. And with full confidence. Yes, not done, not done. Shruti, you can hear?
Yes, sir.
So you are telling not done?
Sir, it is not done. Seriously, you have not done.
Then others are without reason they are telling we have done.
Sir, Pratham is also telling you have not done.
What Pratham knows? I knows or Pratham knows? I have
Sir,
recorded
I
nothing of
found.
that. What
Sir,
you
I
found, Pratham?
You have done till 30.
Now see what he is telling.
Okay,
Yes,
sir, I
first
will
I
check.
also misunderstood.
You
between-
people are really not working well. It is not the path of doctor what you are telling. This is some 5th standard, 6th standard student telling something absurd. That means you don't have notebook also where you have written. I can say all this when I write in so many other books. But when I have my book in front of me, last lecture where it went completed. After doubt solving before that 30 we have done or not. Still you are telling and with full confidence. Shruti, you check again.
Yes, sir, yes, sir.
Check, I will wait for 2 minutes.
Yes, sir, it is done.
In which book you have done? Same book or different book?
No, sir, I wrote it in different book. I
Why?
have made. No, I have, sir, one book got complete now, so I made new notebook.
Okay,
So I made it in,
right now which book you have? New or old?
right now I
Right
have
now which book
new,
is in front of you?
new.
In that there is first page. That page is first page or it is continuation of last lecture?
No, it is continuation of last two.
So before that 2-3 pages what you have done? Continuation last means last work is continued, no?
Yes,
So in that there is no 30 sums.
no, it is half is in the old book and now it is in the new
Arey
book.
yaar, what you are saying? The latest one will be in the latest book. No, old book means it will contain number, the previous number. When you are opening new book, it should contain the latest question or not. Tell me. Means if
Yes, sir,
we
it
have
is
done 10th, then
there.
it will be 10th. If we did 8th, it
No,
will be
no,
8th.
no, sir, it is there.
Then from where you are telling it we have not done? Some logic you have or anything you people say here. Really, I am feeling very much. What I can say, I don't have words to say all this. Force F bar equals to 3I plus I record also lecture, no? Displaces object. Even that recording you people have not seen that means. If you have practiced this 2 times, then you should remember each and every sum we have done all this. Force 3I plus 2J produces displaces the object through 3I minus 2J meter. Find work done. I want you all should do similar sum I did last lecture in your doubt solving.
Done, sir.
Done, sir. Option
I
B.
just
5
did.
chance.
Option how much beta?
Option B.
Option D, correct.
TD.
So I'm
B
not
for
doing
ball.
it. B for ball. If I don't do it, it's okay for you? 31?
Yes, sir.
3 into 3, 9 minus 4, 5 joule current. Come to 32. Angle between vector I cap plus j cap and j cap plus k cap. Angle between vector I cap plus j cap plus k cap. So can I call this vector as I bar and this vector as V bar because it is Lavaris? So two vectors A and B find angle. To get angle, what to use? I have told many times. Dot product. A bar dot B bar is AB cos theta. Hello, A bar dot B bar is AB cos theta.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So cos theta will be A bar dot B bar upon AB. I cap plus J cap dot J cap plus K cap upon root of 1 square plus 1 square into root of 1 square plus 1 square. So this will become 1 into 0 plus 1 into 1 plus 0 into 1 upon root 2 into root 2. So cos theta equal to 1 upon 2. So angle is 60 degree. Cos 60 is half. Do. Yes, done.
Yes, sir.
Next one. Sum number 33. Will you try 33? Area of parallelogram formed by vectors I cap minus 2j plus
Yes, sir, we
3k
are
cap.
doing.
Yeah,
Sir, we
please
are done.
try. Let us check whether you are getting correct.
Sir, answer is D, 4 root 6 square units.
What you are getting?
I'm getting 4 root 6 square units.
Root?
4 root 6 square units. Option D.
Yes. That means it is you are getting 96, na? Root of 96.
Yes, sir.
16, 32. I got wrong, I think.
Sir,
Answer is right. D answer is right.
it is 8 j cap.
8 JK it is.
9 minus 1, no? Sorry, 1 minus 9, no? So
Ah,
it will be 8.
so 64.
Root.
Yes, 96 you can write as 16 into 6. So 4 root 6.
Done.
Okay. All of you got same answer? 4 root 6? D option.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next one. 34. F bar is along positive x-axis. So this is one force F1 bar along positive x-axis. If its vector product with another vector F2 is 0, what should be F2? Its vector product with
Cross
another
product
vector
is
is
0, therefore both are parallel.
correct. So can I reveal in my mind like this? Since F bar cross F2 bar is 0, hence they are parallel. If they are parallel, that means if F1 bar is along x-axis, F2 bar should also be along x-axis. This is the meaning of parallel.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So along x-axis means which type? I cap type, J cap type, or K cap type?
I cap.
I cap. So 4J will be the answer then? No, na?
No,
I cap plus J cap will be the answer? No.
no.
No. The only possibility is D.
Minus 4i.
Yes. Minus 4i means along x-axis in negative direction, which will be parallel to F1 bar. Very important sum because we have to judge the concept right now. Thirty-five.
Answer is, I guess, pi.
Correct. Answer pi is perfectly right. Because if A bar cross B bar, is outward, then B bar cross A bar will be inward. A bar cross B bar, if it is in outward, then ulta will be inward. So angle between A bar cross B bar and B bar cross A bar. If A bar cross B bar is positive, then B bar cross A bar will be negative. Therefore, angle between them is 180 degree or pi radian. Option B. Next one. You are given two vectors A bar B bar. Which one of the following operation cannot be performed? You are given two vector A bar B bar, which cannot be performed. Can we add the two vector?
Yes.
Only we can't do division, no?
Yes.
Yes.
D
Division.
cannot be performed. D. (37) The coordinates of 2 points are given. What is the displacement vector from A bar to B bar? Coordinates of 2 points A 0, 3, -1 and B -2, 6, 4 are given. What is displacement? Can you tell what will be displacement? We have done many times. OA
Distance
vector
formula.
plus AB vector is OB vector by triangle law. So displacement from A to B is OB vector minus OA vector. OB is -2i plus 6j plus 4k minus of 0i cap plus 3j cap minus 1k cap. So that will become -2i, 6 minus 3 is plus 3j, 4 plus 1, 5. Option D.
Done, sir.
What is angle subtended? Subtended means made. What is angle made by vector A bar, which is 4i cap plus 3j cap plus 12k cap? Hello? Okay. With x-axis. Angle of A with x-axis. Are you remembering last class what I explained?
Yes, sir. Cos alpha is equals to ax upon a.
Beautiful. Ax is 4 and a is root of 4 square plus 3 square plus 12 square.
12 square.
So 4 upon 9 plus 16 plus 9 plus 144
144.
in root.
Cos
That
inverse
is
4 by 13. Option D.
4 by 13.
Yes.
16 and 9, 25. That is 169. 169 means 13. Do you have cos alpha 4 by 13?
Yes.
Yes.
Option D.
So alpha is cos inverse 4 by 13, option D. If cos is not there, then you will draw triangle like this. So cos alpha is adjacent side upon hypotenuse. Get this, then either tan or sine or some other trigonometric function will match. In case you don't get this, then solve. Answer is D.
Done.
39 mark, very difficult sum. Don't mark important, mark difficult. All of you read in your mind once. Then I will read louder to explain you what you have read. "39. You have read once?
Yes.
Okay, Pratham, read louder.
A vector which has a magnitude of 8 units is added to a vector p bar which lies along the x-axis. The resultant of two vectors lies along the y-axis. If the magnitude of the resultant is twice that of p bar, then the magnitude of p bar will be.
Okay. A vector has magnitude 8 is added to P, which is along x-axis. A vector which has magnitude 8 a vector which has magnitude 8 is added to P, which lies along x-axis. So this is P bar along x-axis. We add to this a vector of 8 unit. कौन सा direction में मुझे मालूम नहीं. But resultant of that 8 and this P becomes perpendicular to P because it is on y-axis. Not followed?
Yes, sir.
Now, if the magnitude of resultant is twice that of P, means it is 2P in magnitude. So if I construct this as a parallelogram, then the second vector Q bar is having magnitude 8. ऐसा हो गया ना ये? Not followed diagram now?
Yes, sir. Understood.
8 when added to P along X. So P is along X. Where is 8? I don't know right now. But resultant is perpendicular because it is along Y. So if we construct this parallelogram, this has to be Q, this is P, this is Q, this is R. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Is it right angle triangle?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So
So
Python,
Yes,
we
sir.
can find
Pythagoras
the
theorem we can use. So can I say R square plus P square is 8 square? So
Yes.
P the whole square plus P square is 8 square. 4p square plus p square equal to 64. 5p square is 64. P square is 64 upon 5. So p is 8 upon root 5. 8 upon root 5. Let us check. Yes, option D. 8 upon root 5. Very difficult to understand. But once understood, then it is easy. That wordings are difficult. Yes, Ganesh, followed?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So I did not understand one thing. Why did you take one that side? We have to take five, right? That side down under 64.
It is 5 only, na? 8 upon root 5 means 5. This is 5. So this is 5. That's why in root it is root 5.
Yeah, yeah, okay.
Done, sir.
48.
Sir, 1 minute. Sir, 1 minute.
Yes, yes.
Done, sir.
40th. Two vectors of same magnitude. That vector is not written. Two vectors of same magnitude. Some number 40. Two vectors of same magnitude have a resultant equal to either, has resultant same as one of vector. Two vectors of same magnitude has resultant same as one of the vector. What is angle between them? Any note click हुआ? Is this the answer? If two vectors are of same magnitude inclined by 120, result is same. So is this the answer?
Yes.
Now suppose I forget, then I will solve. P and Q are two vector of same magnitude. Suppose AA resultant is same. What is the angle between them? Theta. So R will be root of P square plus Q square plus 2PQ cos theta. If you don't know that, note. So A will become A square plus 2AA cos of theta. That will become A square equal to 2A square plus 2A square into cos theta. So minus A square equal to 2A square into cos theta. A square cancel. Minus half is cos theta. That means theta is 120 degree. But I will prefer my shortcut in my exam. Complete it fast. If completed, tell me.
Done.
Okay.
Done, sir.
Yes. Coming to now. Some number 41. 41. What is the magnitude of a vector obtained by adding two vector? Magnitude of vector obtained by adding two vector. So 6i plus 7j plus 3i plus 4j. Add this. What you will get? 9i plus 11j. So what will be magnitude? Root of 9 square plus 11 square. 81 plus 121. That is equals to 202 in root. 202. Option C.
Done.
Okay. 42. Resultant of two forces acting at an angle of 120. Two forces are acting at an angle of 120. Is 10 kg weight and perpendicular. So resultant perpendicular, I told please draw resultant first every time. So resultant of two vector acting at 120 is 10 and it is perpendicular to one of the force. So perpendicular to one of the force. Angle is 120. Find that force. If this is 120, what will be this? 60? Hello?
Yes, sir.
So in this ABC triangle, P is adjacent to 60. So tan 60 is opposite side R adjacent P. Root 3 equals to 10 upon P. So P equals to 10 by root 3. Hello?
Yes, sir.
So answer 10 by root 3 cleared?
Yes, sir. Understood.
Yeah. Done?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Done.
Okay. 43. 2 points P and Q in same space has coordinate. I want this you all to do. Please try.
Yes, sir.
Yes. What is magnitude of vector PQ? Any of you got the answer? Root 26.
Yes, sir. I got root 26, but there is no such
No,
option.
yes, correct. You are right. I think that second option में ना root 2 के साथ 6 print नहीं हुआ है. So option B,
Okay.
make it root 26.
Yes, sir.
Shall I go to 44 now?
Yes, sir. Done.
Okay. 44 will do. Resultant of two forces P and Q makes angle 30 with P. Resultant of two forces P and Q. So suppose these are two forces P and Q. Its resultant is R. Is making angle 30 degree with P. 30 degree with P. What is angle between P and Q? Means this theta we want, correct?
Yes.
If magnitude of resultant is Q root 3. Information followed first.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
if
sir.
resultant makes angle alpha with P, what is your formula? Tan alpha is Q sine theta upon P plus Q cos theta. I hope this you know formula.
Yes, sir.
So tan T is Q sine theta upon P plus Q cos theta. That means 1 by root 3 is Q sine theta upon P plus Q cos theta. Okay.
Yes.
Followed now this much.
Yes.
So that means root 3 Q sine theta equals to P plus Q cos theta. So P will become, no, not squaring. P को खाली separate करता हूँ ना. So root 3 Q sine theta minus Q cos theta. Okay. Hello.
Yes.
So P will become Q common root 3 sine theta minus cos theta. Not followed.
Yes, sir.
Just copy this much.
Done, sir.
Done. Everybody has done full.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Can I clear this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now I'm just substituting the values of R and P in formula for resultant of two vector. R is Q root 3 square. P is Q root 3 sine theta minus cos theta its square plus Q square plus 2 P, which is Q into root 3 sine theta minus cos theta. So 2pq into q into cos theta. So this will become 3q square equal to q square root 3 sine theta minus cos theta square plus q square plus 2q square root theta sine theta minus cos theta into cos theta. Please copy till this.
Done.
Okay, now we'll simplify this. This throughout q square plus confusion आ जाएगा आपको, रुको. This q square I am bringing on left side. 3q square minus q square. Now I am opening the bracket. Q square into, this will be 3 sine square theta, correct? First term,
Yes.
a square minus 2 root 3 sine theta cos theta plus cos square theta plus 2 q square into root 3 into sine theta cos theta minus 2q square into cos square theta. Okay, so 2q square equals to 3q square sine square theta minus 2 root 3q square sine theta cos theta plus q square theta plus 2 root 3 q square sine theta cos theta minus 2q square cos square theta. This minus and plus cancels. So 2q square equals to 3q square sine square theta minus of 2q square cos square theta. Copy till this.
Sir, it will be only q square cos theta, no?
Which one, beta?
Minus q square cos theta, no? Because one it will be cancelled, no?
Correct. Minus 1 q square cos square theta. Correct.
Done, sir.
So finally we got 2q square is 3q square minus q square cos square theta.
Yes, sir. Done.
I'm taking that term on other side. That means it will become 2q square plus q square cos square theta is 3q square sine square theta. So q square common, 2 plus cos square theta is 3q square sine square theta. Q square cancel. 2 plus sine square theta. This I can write 1 minus sine square theta is 3 sine square theta. 2 plus 1 is 3 equals to 3 sine square theta plus sine square theta. So it will be 3 equals to 4 sine square theta. 3 by 4 is sine square theta. So root 3 by 2 is sine theta. That means theta equal to 60 degree. Okay. Slightly difficult sum because of more maths involved. Complete now, full.
Done, sir.
1 second. Yes. Everybody has done?
No, sir, just a minute.
No, sir.
Do it, do it. It's not the easy sum. Shall I clear now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. 45.
Sir, just a minute.
What?
Before in the 44th sum, there is also a point saying that when two vectors are equal and inclined by 60 degrees, the resultant is root 3 times. So here the resultant is given q root 3. So by that statement, we can directly write now 60 degrees.
No, but angle between two vectors is not 60. No, we have to find that angle.
Yes, sir, but it is given that resultant is q root 3. No? So
But where they have given P and Q are equal.
Oh,
That is
yeah.
possible when two vectors are equal and inclined by 60. Then result is root 3 times. Yes, but very good. That इतने सोचना ही चाहिए ऐसा सब. Best.
Okay, sir.
I, J are unit vector along x and y axis respectively. What is magnitude and direction of the vector I cap plus j cap? What is magnitude of this I cap plus j cap? Root of 1 square plus 1 square. That means root 2, 1.414. First part clear?
Yes, sir.
And direction of the vector. अभी डायरेक्शन किसके साथ नहीं दिया है तो मैं cos लेता हूं. So it is cos of alpha is x ax1 upon magnitude root 2. So is it 45 degree?
Yes.
So answer A.
Done.
So today we'll stop here. Sum number 45. Stick to the planner, maintain proper book, otherwise we'll be confused. Don't keep your mind in confusion state. Doubt chalega, confusion nahi chalega. So we'll meet now as usual. Monday, next week you will have